Hello my dear friends. So now I've just launched my stream. Okay, I'm just checking that everything is all right, that everything works, and then of course we'll start. Okay, so hello everybody. Uh, my name is Jessica, and I'm a professional trader analyst and, of course, a head of development, as you know, of Trading Academy, in which you take place, you join, you're active. So, yeah, you're already part of my academy. Thank you for being part of it. Thank you for listening to my materials, for using them, and for continuing trading with me using my signals, and, of course, learning and broadening your mind. Thank you so much for already being part of our trading community. So now what I'm going to do is wait for participants to join. It's very important so that my students don't miss important information. That's why for 2 minutes, let's just wait. Okay, I will close these instruments. We won't need them today. Okay. So now let's wait. Actually, how are you feeling? As always, you are free to write in comments during the stream any of your questions, desire, get acquainted. Hello, my name is, and I'm from, so I'm very eager to know what is, and of course, I will explain what you're interested in during my stream, during our stream. So, yeah, that's it. Please write in comments any desires, any questions, or just get acquainted. Actually, how are you feeling? You can also write that in comments. Talking about myself, I'm feeling, kind of medium, but I'm focused today. It's important. I'm calm. So, it's just that maybe I need more sleep, more relaxing time, and to lie a bit on a sofa and watch TV. It's also important. So I kind of a bit overworked, but sometimes it happens with everybody. So make sure that, of course, you set yourself timing for trading, like 4 hours a day enough, or maybe like up to 8, but no more. So please do not miss out meals, your sleep, of course, maybe time with relatives, with friends. It's very important. Please, and actually just go and walk and do sports. So healthy food, sport, sleep, they all help to maintain your health at the right rate. So for example, just eat a lot of vegetables, fruits during like summer, so there are a lot of vitamins in them, and this will help you actually to save these vitamins during winter. So keep yourself more active and more safe away from any illnesses. So please eat a lot of vegetables, fruits. I don't know, I would say that like rice, brown rice is good. And of course, I would also advise you eating some interesting vegetables. Oh, okay. It is a long story. I can tell you during the next stream. And I'm welcoming everybody who just came to my stream. Hello, my name is Jessica, as always, here taking a stream, holding a stream for you. Thank you very much. Hello, Jessica, how are you? I miss your stream so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I really like just holding the streams for you. It's very, I don't know, it's very cozy here, very calm, obvious. I don't know, it's it's like I talk friend to friend, and of course in a good educative way. So yeah, thank you for coming to my stream, and hope you're also feeling great. So by the way, remember that I sent a signal on the US dollar and Japanese yen currency pair chart. So here I just posted yesterday an article about how the chart will look like, and already opened a trade for, you can see like it's 1 hour left, open it for a buy position. So because there's going to be a reversal, as I said, and of course predicted, using the strategy and using the fundamental analysis this time, reading it the day before and really analyzing into it. So I hope you also entered the trade and we will succeed together. If you're not, please go to my main Telegram channel. There, just scroll a bit up to read my yesterday's article and the signal which I set to enter today's morning, so like 2 hours ago. So please go to my main Telegram channel, read, and now actually enter. You've got 1 hour. So you can enter it like now in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes time. Please enter and gain income. And well, what else? As I said, thanks for those. Hello Jessica, I'm sorry, just in advance if I don't pronounce your names correctly. I will really try to do my best, but please forgive me. Okay, so hello Jessica, I'm Anula Vapo from Nigeria. Thank you so much for joining my stream. Thank you. Really nice to meet you, to hear you. And actually, please open Pocket Option if you're not open it already, and actually trade with me, or not just trade, but please like learn, just looking and hearing what I said, explaining and looking at your own chart and kind of, you know, just visualizing the same thing. Okay, so yeah, thank you. Thank you for your comments. Thank you. You are free to write everything that you want, everything that is needed for you to know. Okay, you can already see there is a reversal, but never mind. So we will continue trading using the next currency pair. Let's do it. As I said on my last stream on Tuesday, I said that today, this time, I will tell you a bit about Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement and how to use it, what it does. So, and yeah, it's very convenient. It's very accurate. It's like a mathematical, technical way that is really proven by Fibonacci sequence. So just like, first of all, before we start, I want to remind you about my VIP channel, private channel, trading board. All of them are free. These are 2 instruments for trading board. Beginner trader, which gives you automatical signals. So my trading board is based on the artificial intelligence, and it gives you ready-made signals that you just type in your pocket option. So it's the currency pair, expiration time, and of course higher or low, which is in a buy or sell position which you enter. And here you are, it's ready-made signals that work and help you succeed. So the board is 90%, 93% accurate. The other step is my VIP private channel. There I give signals by myself 2 times a day for 2 trading sessions, usually like morning and evening. It's also absolutely free. For an access, please write to me in DM, and I will give you a link to my private VIP channel or to the trading board, so use it. And my VIP channel also, I give you ready-made signals, which you just type in. You've got like 3 chances to repeat these signals in order to succeed if you kind of miss the right moment to enter your trade. So please use my instruments. And another instrument is my YouTube videos. If you haven't already, subscribe and watch my videos, and also write in DM or watch, find the link in the main Telegram channel to my YouTube, and like watch actually each video, because they are very interactive, very professional, and each video contains different information. And by just watching all the videos, you will find the convenient, the appropriate way for you to trade. The easy one, the simple one to understand, and the simple and quick one to use. Okay, so this is it. And also reminding you that I've got personal mentorship. Okay, there's a question in chat. Your pronunciation for my name is Nova. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really tried. Well, I will do my best next time. Of course, I will, you know, practice. So, as I said before, I also have personal mentorship. The starting price is $500, and during my personal mentorship, so I held we just phone each other by Google Meet and chat face to face. So I will tell you the meanings, the terms, how to use long trades in detail, of course, I will give you personal signals, and also I will kind of, you know, simplify the strategies for you and give you the ones that are really unique. So personal mentorship, because it just consists so much information, I can't put it all in YouTube or in any of my instruments because they take long time. So my personal mentorship is absolutely unique and very just, you know, it is a skill. My personal mentorship, it is an education to make your skills in trading just fly really fast and very high. So it is a step-by-step education for you and me to chat with each other and of course to learn. And you will be also provided with a lot of my articles to read, to note, and homework. So please write in DM if you're interested in my personal mentorship. Okay, and as I said, by the way, if you just joined my trading academy, or me, like, as you know, your teacher, Jessica teacher, who will help you to trade, then so if you haven't like got already like opened pocket option, so you're not registered, then please quickly write in DM to me for a link to pocket option. So I will give you my personal link to pocket option. And why? I will explain. So it's not an advertisement, it's just for you, for my students to get quicker in trading process. I give you 50% plus to your initial deposit. So it's just a gift from me. There is a promo code Jessica500. So by just opening my link, the link that I will send in DM, and yeah, by just opening this link to pocket option and registering. So actually a video how to register, I posted it, uploaded it on YouTube. You can watch it, and there will also a brilliant video how to withdraw your money, which is really, you know, step by step for you, explain how to quickly, safely withdraw your money by like actually so many methods. So yeah, there are already video how to register for the link right in DM, and quickly register on pocket option with your like document details, with verification, completed verification, and start trading and joining my next stream. So next time when you already register on pocket option, you can just in parallel open pocket option and trade with me at the same time. So streams, it's like a free instrument for you to trade. It's like a little personal mentorship for free. So yeah, here it's like a great chance for you to get knowledge, to ask questions, to ask strategies, to maybe you type in like in comments any desires for the next video. So I read all your comments, all your questions, and of course I stick to them and try to, not try, but actually, yeah, do the thing that you ask for. Okay, and so I already opened pocket option platform for the newers. Let me just show you what it is. And actually I'm going to open a buy position here. So yeah, already you can see that my is on my balance is it was like $15,900. So I opened a trade. So just open US and Canadian dollar currency pair chart and open a buy position. For the new ones who just joined me, let me quickly show you what is pocket option. So pocket option is the best trading platform. Why? Because it's very simplified. It's so bright, it's so obvious, and it's really just doesn't contain the functions that are not needed. So all the functions, they're very obvious, like trading. Here you can like when you register, you've got your gem account actually to practice trading, and you've got your real account. So you've got of course Forex, shares, and others. So you've got your finance to just look through the history, do the thing with your withdrawal, and of course deposit. You've got your profile to kind of edit it. Of course, well, market just to buy some of the pocket options, not actually the most important. Achievements and chat if you have any like questions also. And what else? Well, help for support if you are needed. So now, okay, I will close the chat. Okay, now next, here at the top left corner, we've got the currency pairs. Here they are. The thing with the pocket option, it has the highest win rate with the highest profitabilities of its currency pairs. So you can see 92%, 92%. If you scroll down, it's like 90, 87, but it's still really high. And here you've got important thing is type of charts. So when you just open up pocket option, you're presented with a line chart, but it is like not obvious and not convenient at all, not understandable. So of course what I advise you to do is open up Japanese candlestick chart, and you can see it is very convenient and very obvious to use. Okay, so next here, these two sections are really important. It is indicators. So these two sections, by combining like instruments from one section with this section, these are strategies. These are your trading skill. So these are indicators. I already on YouTube, you can watch about like half of these indicators, which are brilliant. And you can choose the one that sets brilliant like your personality, that really is convenient. Here is like accelerator, oscillator, my favorite, you know, RSI, moving average, or for example the super trend, the zigzag, the Bollinger Bands, the envelopes, good ones. Okay, and the other ones. And here we can also, today we'll use the Fibonacci retracement. As I promised the last stream, we'll use today the Fibonacci retracement. Parallel channels are perfect, and horizontal lines are good for just drawing the support and resistance levels. If you're interested like to know more in terms of trading, please write in DM, and I will send you, of course, I will kind of, you know, help you how to solve your question, your problem. And if you're interested to know more about trading, then watch my YouTube. It's like the first recommendation. And of course, use the instruments. Okay, so here it's like, well, you can kind of, you know, do a multi-chart. It's also okay. And here at the top right is expiration time. So expiration time is actually the time of our trade. The time of our trade, amount of money is very important. So we try to stick to risk management, to put in our trade 5 to 10% of our balance, starting actually from $100 and $150. Why? So first of all, we shouldn't like put in a lot of money, because of course trading is connected with losses, but we always cover up losses. There's a martingale system which always cover ups your losses plus gets you profit. So for example, if you start like with $10, you only get a profit of $5.20, but if you put in like $100, you already get $52. So please put 5 to 10% of your balance into trade, but starting from $100 and $150. So okay, this is the amount of money we put in. Okay, it was like 200, never mind. Okay, 100. So now here we are showing the profitability of currency pairs. As I said, there are different currency pairs. For example, this one looks differently, so its profitability is 92%. So here's a clear profit that you will get if you were if you succeed in your trade. And these two are very important buttons. Let me quickly just explain what is trading with currency pairs, which I really advise you to use. Well, Forex, on Forex market, currencies are traded in currency pairs. So there are different currency pairs, as I said, with different profitabilities. So how does these two buttons work with currency pairs? Well, for example, let me open like this one. Okay, so the currency. So let's look at the currency pair. On the first place stands the currency which stands on the first place is called the base currency, and actually the base currency is really connected with these two buttons. And on the second place stands the quote currency pair. So if you press the button higher, that means opening a buy position. So you're predicting a formation of an uptrend, a rise of price of your currency pair. So if you're pressing the button higher, that means at the same time you are buying your base currency pair, so the Australian dollar, and selling your quote currency pair, so selling the New Zealand dollar. If you're pressing the button lower, which means opening a sell position, so that means you're predicting a formation of a downtrend, a drop of price, of a currency pair. So that means you are selling your base currency, so Australian dollar, and buying your quote currency pairs in New Zealand dollar. So this is it, just trading within the currency pairs. And of course you can trade not only with currency but there are cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices, and you can like add your favorites. For example, here I've got my favorites and schedule actually, like here you can see with the currencies, so when the trades will work out. Okay, so there are actually some videos how to trade with cryptocurrencies on my YouTube, but I really advise you trading with currency pairs because there are the provable one and the convenient one, because when trading with currency pairs, so you remember I say we use technical analysis, so indicators like instruments, and we also use the fundamental analysis, reading articles, analyzing the trend, and learning the like different meanings of trading. So what I'm saying, I kind of lost my thought, I'm sorry. Okay, what I'm saying is when trading with currency pairs, so there is a lot of fundamental analysis which really proves currency pairs and like what is going to happen with appropriate currency pair, and that really helps you to just step and trade and succeed like correctly. Okay, so this is it, just getting you acquainted with a little bit of pocket option. Okay, and as I said, I will show you today the Fibonacci retracement. Let me show you and find actually the right trend for this instrument. Okay, so while you're waiting for me, you can write in comments, so actually what you're eager to learn during this week, how much you want to earn, like how much you want to earn during like 1 week for 1 month. Please write your desires, and also you're free just to tell me like actually here on my YouTube streams you're free to tell me, Svetlana, look, the trend looks like that, maybe we should open this signal, and I will tell you, yeah, let's open it, it's right. Or for example, if I open signal and it doesn't succeed, then I will explain why it didn't succeed. So we are here to learn. Okay, so well, of course, for Fibonacci retracement we need to find a trend which will be obviously decreasing or rising. Okay, so I just wanting to check that I'm right. Okay, so I'm kind of now in the process of trading and choosing the right trend. So here again, trading is about analyzing. So what is Fibonacci retracement? I will tell you a bit later, but just quickly stepping in future for Fibonacci retracement, you need to find a trend with an evident rise or an evident drop. Okay, so I am going to do that. Okay, this one is quite good. Okay, this one is really good. I really like it. Okay, well, let's do with this one. So Fibonacci retracement, it is a strategy, it is a brilliant mathematical instrument in trading, which actually is based on Fibonacci sequence, and Fibonacci retracement, it contains of key retracement levels, key Fibonacci retracement levels, which just show you a potential entry moments of your trades. So now I will open Fibonacci retracement. Okay, what we need to do is we need to draw it correctly. So for a downtrend, we draw it from the recent high here to the recent low. And for us to be more convenient, we just widen it a bit. Okay, here we are. And actually I'm wanting to, this is scale, okay, no, just, you know, okay, I will just kind of change a bit. Sorry. Okay, that will do. That's fine. So what I'm wanting to do is just, okay, yeah, absolutely correct. So now, what I'm going to explain you. First of all, well, what we can do, let me just quickly analyze before explaining. Okay. Okay, I will also open the RSI because it really helps. Okay, so while we are waiting, let me explain. So you can see I've opened up Fibonacci retracement. I want to earn, I want to earn by, sorry, I didn't just, okay, I want to earn $1,000 in 1 month. Oh, that's brilliant, actually, that's great, and that's absolutely normal if you want to trade and continue trading. So yeah, 1,000 is good. So sorry, just fixing the comments a bit. Okay, so yeah, 1,000 is great. That's just a superb goal. Stick to it, and that's a great chance for you to quickly step in trading and of course gain income step by step. So we are not here like to gain 1 million in 1 minute. So step by step income growth. And yeah, 1,000 is absolutely great. So for example, I will give you an example. I need to pay taxes for my rent and for food and entertainment. So like for my rent, $3,000 for a month. For my food, 1,500. For entertainment, 2,000. So this is it. I actually earn money just to cover up all my needs, and this is a great goal for you to continue trading, to help your relatives, your friends. So yeah, great. I'm really happy that you've got a goal. Okay, so I've opened up Fibonacci retracement. Again, as I said, it's based on the Fibonacci sequence, and it contains of main Fibonacci retracement levels. So 0, 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, 16.6%, and 1. The main Fibonacci levels is at 50% and at 38.2%. So actually, how does this strategy works? Well, this is our main currency pair chart. Just quickly, if like for also beginners in trading, so Japanese candlestick charts, the green candlesticks represent the growth, the red candlesticks represent a decrease in price of currency pair. And of course, in overall main currency pair chart, if it's downward, that means the price of a currency pair is decreasing. If it's upward, that means the price of a currency pair is rising. So this is it. And remember, green candlesticks growth, they are called bullish. And red candlesticks decrease, they are called bearish. Okay, so this is it, just a little bit theory reminding you. Okay, actually now we can open freely a position for $400 because I want to cover up. For 1 minute will be enough. Okay, so this is it. Just really opened it for 1 minute. So you can see already I've actually used the Fibonacci retracement instrument and the RSI and already opened my trade. So how does this instrument really works? Well, when your main currency pair chart approaches one of the key Fibonacci levels, remember the main 50% and 38.2%, when it approaches one of these levels, that means there is going to be a reversal. There's going to be a reversal. And as I said, so for example, for a downtrend, we draw Fibonacci retracement level for a downtrend from the recent high, from the highest point to the recent low, so the lowest point. For an uptrend, you draw your Fibonacci levels from the recent low to the recent high, so differently. Okay, so as I said, oh, great. First profit of $368. As I said, I lost the first trade because it just quickly changed the market, but I've covered up my loss plus got my profit. So what I did is I started with $200 and first, lost because I entered the trade too quick and also the market jumped a bit, so I lost. And what I did is stick to martingale strategy. Martingale strategy is a strategy in trading where you double the amount of money you put in your trade after you lose. And so when you double the amount of money you put in, you win. You get your doubled amount of money that you put in your trade plus your initial investment. So that means by sticking to martingale strategy, which is unrisky at all, you recover all your previous losses plus get a profit of your initial investment. So for example, you started with $100, lost $200, lost $400, lost. So with $800 you won. Great. You got your profit from your doubled amount of money, plus you got your profit of initial investment. So martingale strategy, and I doubled the amount of money I put in. So remember, I started with $15,900. So already by just one trade not succeeding, the second succeeding, I am in profit of $263. Absolutely great. Okay, so just continue, of course, trading. And trading with, like, I recovered my losses, so let's return to the sum of $200. So I'm okay with, like, with my money. I'm here to make you learn. So that's why I want to put like $3,000, and I don't do actually that amount of money. So 200 is enough. Okay, so as I said, you were seeing that my main currency pair chart touched the Fibonacci retracement level, so 0. It touched it and there was a reversal, so the price bounced. The price of a currency pair, so the main currency pair chart bounced off, so the price of a currency pair started to rise, and there was a formation of an uptrend. And of course, I opened a buy position, and also I like to make my signals more secure. I opened RSI, reminding what is RSI. So RSI shows you when the currency pair is being in the overbought or in oversold condition. So there are a few levels, 30, 50, 70. So when the RSI is close to the level of 30 or is on the level of 30, that means that your currency pair is being oversold, and that means there's going to be a reversal. So that means you should open a buy position, anticipating a rise of price of a currency pair and a formation of a downtrend. So actually here, I saw that RSI is on the level of 30, and you can see here a reversal. Price started to rise, and I opened a buy position. So I used two instruments in combination to prove my signal and to enter it correctly, and of course to succeed. So, and if RSI is on the level of 30, that means your currency pair is being in the overbought condition, and that means there's going to be a pullback. So the price of your currency pair is going to drop, and there's going to be a formation of a downtrend. So that means when your RSI is on the level of 70, you should open a sell position, anticipating a decrease of price of a currency pair. Okay, this is it. Sometimes there is a situation of breakout. Sometimes there is a situation of breakout. If breakouts are seen, that means the currency pair will continue to develop in such a way, in a way of breakout, quite a time. So you can see that it broke through, and that it still continued to decrease for some time. Okay, but it is a bit risky moment to enter it at breakouts. So breakouts are good when using support and resistance levels. Support and resistance levels, you can use draw two horizontal lines and use these two levels. If you want to learn more about support and resistance levels, then please go to my YouTube, and there's a video about it. Actually, let's do like this way. My next stream, I will show you how to use properly the support and resistance levels and like the timing with these levels and a lot of hints. So come to my next stream on Tuesday, and you will actually spend less time just searching the right video on YouTube, but also YouTube, great, absolutely great. But on my next time, on my next stream, I will tell you about these levels and how to use the breakouts moment. So I will give you more chances to succeed, and of course more knowledge. Okay, so hi, overall, what would you say My percentage of wins. Well, I'm here actually to share my notes with you, to educate you. So of course, professionally I trade for a lot of years, and yeah, I trade now just to, of course, cover up my needs, to pay off, as I said, for my taxes. So, well, being like truthful to you, I would say that my win rate is 91%, 90%. Sometimes it may be 80, actually sometimes it might be 80, but you remember I said 1 week your actually if your win rate is 60%, is also good for you. 60% is also good for me, is also good. So 1 week you might have a win rate of like 90%, the other week you might have a win rate of 60%. It's good. The main thing is you need to have your profit well done, so you're still increasing your, of course, amount of money, and that's it. It's just 1 week, maybe the events are absolutely awful that are like going in the world. Of course, we use these events in our trading strategies, but sometimes you saw there was like situations when just the chart goes, then it is like a gap, then the chart goes again. So this is connected with the events, and these jumps are very risky. So 1 week you may succeed better, the other week may not, but like my in overall I would say my win rate is 80 to 90%, which is absolutely great for me and appropriate. Okay, so I hope I answered your question. So now what I'm going to do is again open a buy position here. Okay, so I'm seeing here the reversal. So RSI is being on the low of 30. So that means the currency pair is being in the oversold condition, and that means there's going to be there's going to be a rebound. So the price will start rising, and there's going to be a formation of an uptrend. You already see an uptrend, and yeah, of course, I saw here also that the main currency pair chart touched the key Fibonacci retracement level, and that means also there's going to be a reversal. So that's it. 2 instruments, approved my strategy, entered a trade. So well done to us. Okay, so let me also explain you that on this currency pair chart, you can see candlesticks. Each candlestick updates itself every minute. So candlesticks update every minute. So for example, this candlestick for its growth, it's like left 10 seconds, 9 seconds, succeed. Well done. So our trade finished and we succeeded, got a profit of $184, already great. Absolutely superb. Now we should wait for a reversal, so for the main currency pair chart to touch one of the key Fibonacci retracement levels, and then of course enter trades. So don't enter trades when it's kind of a medium situation moment. So as I said, here on the right we are shown time frame. Time frame is the length of time at which candlesticks update itself on these charts. So candlesticks update every minute. And as you saw, well, I will show you during my next trade, which of course I will like open in like a couple of minutes. Of course we are analyzing, and I will just show you expiration time where it is shown how much it is left and the level of price at which you opened a trade. So of course just so that you understand the features of pocket option more obviously. Hello, okay, fix the problem with the microphone, I'm sorry, never mind. So now I'm actually waiting for the right entry moment to open my trade. Remember, as I said, when you trade, do not hesitate and do not rush. So like it's very important to focus and just find the right entry moment, enter your trade, but not like you're worrying, you're angry, enter a lot of trades to succeed, to cover up your losses. No. So you need to wait and analyze. Here what I'm doing is waiting the right entry moments. So waiting for a reversal here, for an appropriate obvious move of every side to one of the levels of 30 or of 70. So I'm waiting for a right moment. And while I'm waiting, also looking at your comments, you can write any questions there. On what topics you want to see my next YouTube videos, or maybe what aspects you want to cover up you want to learn about during my stream. So also write in comments what you want to hear about. Okay, so do you have a preference of up trades or down trades? No, absolutely no. Okay, it's very important question to cover up. Thanks for it. Thank you for your questions. So by just asking your questions, you make other people understand also these questions and these aspects and not like make mistakes. So when you trade, your trend, your main currency pair trend, it changes a lot of reversals, the price jumps, and by that means you're not allowed, okay? You're not allowed to have a favorite of an uptrend or a downtrend because you stick to technical fundamental analysis. So these are your favorites. Technical and fundamental analysis. So you stick to the news articles, your instruments, your strategies, your learning educational materials. So this is your favorites. But you use these materials, and with the usage of these materials, your trend might rise, might drop. And if you want to succeed, you need to differently open, well, an up position or a down position. So that's why, no. Please, guys, we are not allowed to have favorites. No favorite uptrends or downtrends, okay? So we analyze a trend, use the fundamental and technical analysis, and with the help of these, we succeed, okay? Thanks for your question, Matt. I'm really just grateful for it, and I hope everybody just heard me and understood these aspects. Okay, so while I'm also waiting for the right moment, yeah, thank you. And actually, please write in comments, have you already tried out my strategies from YouTube, from my streams, or have you already used the signals from my web channel? Please write in comments if you have. You can like put a plus, that will be enough for me, thank you. Or yeah, if you tried my strategies, then what strategy you liked, what instrument you like. For example, the RSI, the moving average, please write in comments. I'm actually really interested in what's like convenient for people, and if you like, for example, the moving average, then maybe I will kind of, you know, put more information about it, so you will have like more interesting details and hints how to succeed using your favorite instrument. Okay. So I'm still waiting for the right moment to enter trade, because you can see that my currency pair chart still jumps. I can actually, you know, while my main currency pair chart develops, I can actually redraw my Fibonacci retracement levels. So again, for downtrend from the recent high to the recent low, so my recent low is here. So, and of course I'm widening it a bit. You can also see these little lines, so these are important. That means the price grew to this level, but it kind of didn't stay at this level and then changed. But this level is also like, this is the highest, for example, this is the lowest. So these lines are also very important. There's an article in my main Telegram channel about that, also to learn about it more. Please join my next streams and I will tell you like more theory, more terms. And yeah, that would be interesting. That would be really interesting. So, okay, you might think, we are waiting for so long. Shouldn't we change to another currency pair? No, we shouldn't. We stick to one strategy. We stick to the currency pair that works, and we do the thing. So this is it. Trading takes time. You know it. We are not here to rush. And I said I already got a profit. So I'm just here, as I promised. I explained to you what is Fibonacci retracement 2, what is Fibonacci key levels, how to use them, and also showed it how to use this instrument with the RSI. So just quickly revising, Fibonacci retracement levels based on the Fibonacci sequence has key levels. The main levels of Fibonacci retracement is 38.2%, 50%, but each level is important, and these two works with the reversal. So when the main currency pair chart approaches one of the levels, it's gonna to reverse, but we like focus on these two levels. And yeah, when we see a reverse, we open a position, and RSI shows you when the currency pair has been in the oversold condition at the level of 30 or in the overbought condition, the level of 70. Of course, it also means a reversal and signals you to open a right position. So this is it. Thank you for your likes. Thank you. I'm not ending the stream. It's just, this is it for revision. This is it for revision for the instruments that we are using. There are also like, it's enough to use two indicators, two instruments in combination. You can open a lot of like accelerator oscillator or, for example, Bollinger Bands, but please, just please do not open too much, okay? So do not open too much. And actually what I'm wanting to do is delete, because kind of when you open too much, it just smudges the understanding, the meaning. So what I'm wanting to do is actually delete the Bollinger's Band also. I'm sorry. Okay, deleted the Bollinger's Band. Okay, now I'm waiting for the right moment to enter my trade, and actually there's so much questions. Thank you so much. So I will go and read your comments while we are waiting for the right moment to enter trade. As I said, I'm here to educate you. We already got profit, and yeah, I hope you understood everything. Actually, if you have questions, then please ask them. Okay, I tried the RSI, and okay, let me just write something, because you know there's like a sticker of heart, and it kind of just covers up all your questions, so I don't see it fully. So I will just write thank you, thank you, thank you so much, my friends, for your questions, for your questions. Okay, I'm sorry, you can see that I'm really just okay. Okay, I've tried the RSI and the moving average on demo. They are quite good. Brilliant, brilliant. Well, next step for you. So let's do like a little mentorship here. I give you a homework. Try RSI and the Fibonacci retracement levels. Remember, RSI, you know where it is. Fibonacci retracement is here. So try these two in combination. You can see that they absolutely are correct and accurate. Try these two and succeed. And please come to my next stream on Tuesday and share your experience. So this is a homework for you. Do 10 to 20 trades and practice using these two instruments in, actually everybody, guys, you can just practice using these two instruments in combination, and come to my next stream on Tuesday and share your experience, what worked, what didn't, and I will help you to solve like little details, because also here you need to understand little details to correctly enter your trades. Okay, so yeah, try out. Try out. Okay, thanks. Well, well, we are still waiting, and well, actually it's brilliant. I mean, we've done today good. We explained the instruments, understood, thanks for your questions, and we succeeded, got profit. And actually I think that'll do for today. Yeah, that'll actually do for today. Let's not like waste time just waiting the right moment, because this trend is long taking. So thank you. And we just got profit today, $500. Absolutely great. It's you can go and have dinner with your relatives or with your maybe heart. So yeah, that's enough. That's good for today. Profit of $500, and just discuss the RSI and the Fibonacci retracement. Thanks so much for your questions. We succeeded. Come to my next streams and also learn how to trade, repeating my actions and entering the trades with me. So thank you so much for joining, and of course I'll be waiting for you. And don't forget to watch my YouTube videos, put your likes, ask your questions in comments, and also come to my personal mentorship. I already got some students that are on my personal mentorship, and we already discussed with them what is long trades and they read articles and do homework. So please, we'll be waiting for you right in DM. Thank you for today's stream. So this was your Jessica, as always, your teacher. Thanks so much. So with love, and come to my next streams. Bye bye. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye.